Hey everyone, I am Makeup by Sarah Butler here on YouTube, and I'm just coming on here to show you guys my morning routine and basically just the products that I use to just wake me up. So I'm just gonna rewind all the way to this morning. For my shampoo and conditioner, I am gonna be using the Rosemary Mint conditioner and shampoo. So like I use these two and also the Rosemary Mint body polish. It's like a scrub. And it exfoliates like all of the dead skin off of your body so that you are so smooth and soft. I'm gonna be using like these products because they like wake me up in the morning. The Rosemary Mint aroma, I guess you could call it, really wakes my body up as I shower and just really try to wake myself up in the morning. I'm not a morning person, so these products right here are bomb. This is the Shampoo hand and body wash, also by Aveda. So I'm using all these products this morning, okay? Now that I've showered, I'm going to apply this Tulasara Brightening Serum thing. I love this stuff because, especially in the morning, I want my skin to be like glowing and like super bright. And yeah, it feels so nice on the skin. Always don't forget to go under the neck. That's like a huge thing that I've been doing lately, and it's actually made a difference. Next, I like to use the Tulasara Renew Morning Cream. I think also I changed because I didn't want to be in that bath towel anymore. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this morning cream. It's like a really good cream to like renew the moisture in your face, especially after I've showered and washed my face and all of that. It kind of like dries out my face, so I love to renew all that. And then the last thing that I use is the Tulasara Wedding Mask Eye. This cream right here, you pretty much use like morning and night, so you're gonna see me use it tonight as well. So I just take a little bit, and like a little is all you need with this eye cream since it's such like a small area. So this eye cream like lasts super long, and I think it really brightens up my under eye as well. Definitely need to invest in an eye cream because you don't want those old bags and wrinkly eyes as you get older. Like, you really need to take care of your eye area because this skin right here is so delicate, and I feel like an eye cream is so helpful with that. Go in this motion because I feel like it helps like circulate the blood around my eye. So pretty much what I do is I will just like watch YouTube videos as I get ready, or like Netflix because we all love Netflix. Basically, I have been obsessed with Sherlock Holmes. It's kind of like a new version of Sherlock Holmes, and it's on Netflix now. So good, and I love how the episodes are super long. But of course, like, you can't go wrong with Gossip Girl. Got ready for the day, and now I'm just gonna make some breakfast because I'm a little bit hungry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning routine, and if you guys want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe to Aveda's channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.